Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to personalize your forms and make them align with your brand or simply stand out with a unique style that reflects your creative vision. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account associated with the forms you want to customize. This step is essential as it grants you access to all your existing forms and the tools needed to modify them. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, navigate to the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays all the forms you've recently worked on or created. Locate the specific form you want to apply custom fonts to and click on it to open it. Selecting the right form is important, especially if you manage multiple forms, so take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct one. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar. Here, you'll see a button labeled Customize Theme. This is the gateway to all the visual customization options Google Forms offers, including fonts, colors, and backgrounds. Click on this button to proceed. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, presenting you with various customization settings. In this right panel, start by navigating to the header section. Next to it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available font styles, browse through the options, and choose your preferred font style for the header. This font will apply to the title and main heading of your form. You may also see a number beside the font selection, which represents the font size. Click on the drop-down menu next to this number to adjust the size, making your header larger or smaller depending on your design preference. Next, move down to the question section in the same panel. Again, you'll find a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this menu and select your desired font style for the questions in your form. Just like with the header, you can also adjust the font size by clicking the drop-down next to the number displayed. This allows you to ensure your questions are legible and visually appealing to respondents. Finally, navigate to the text section, click the drop-down menu beside it, and choose the font style you want for the general text in your form, such as descriptions or additional information. Once again, you'll see a number indicating the current font size. Click the drop-down next to it to modify the size, tailoring it to fit your overall design aesthetic, and that's it. You've successfully customized the fonts in your Google form, giving it a professional and personalized touch that enhances the user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.